If you are a young person between the ages of 18 to 30 years and you want to be making between 1 million to 5 million naira every single month, in this video I'm going to show you 5 things you should do right now to start making between 1 million to 5 million every single month. Now, the first thing you want to do, number one step, is to learn a high income skill. There is a reason I say learn a high income skill. Now, learn a skill that can give you a high income. Before you learn a skill, ask yourself, can this skill give me at least 1 million naira every month? So learn a skill. There are many high income skills. Number one, copywriting. Number two, web design. Number three, photography. Number four, freelancing. Number five, Facebook advertising. Number six, closing, sales and marketing. There are a lot of high income skills. Just do your research and learn a high income skill. You can pay somebody to teach you, or you can just learn for free on YouTube, right? Do your research and learn for free on YouTube. The second thing you want to do is to learn the business of that skill. That's step number two. Now, the mistake a lot of people make after learning the skill is that they just learn the skill and sit down there. No, the skill itself will not make you money. What will make you money is when you monetize the skill. So after learning the skill, learn how to effectively monetize that skill. Learn the business of that skill, even if it means paying somebody to teach you. So look for somebody that's already making money from that skill. Take, for instance, you learn copywriting. Go and look for someone that's making money from copywriting and pay the person to teach you how to monetize that skill you have learned. That's the second step, right? Then after you have learned it, start monetizing it. The third thing you want to do is to start creating content. Embrace content creation. Now, content creation is something that can make you at least 1 million naira every month, guaranteed. I have experienced it firsthand. If you start creating content on YouTube, YouTube can start paying you. If you start creating content on Facebook, Facebook can start paying you. Apart from the fact that these platforms can start paying you, you can monetize it, coaching programs, digital products, brand deals, because you are building an audience. You need to start embracing content creation in this world. Start building followership. Don't say, I cannot put myself out there. No, you will not make a lot of money in this present age if you don't know how to put yourself out there. You need to consistently create content on social media. Push yourself, promote yourself. That's how you get clients. That's how you get people that will pay you. And even the platform itself will pay you. Then also, you want to connect with high-value individuals. Surround yourself with people that know what they are doing. The first person that taught me crypto, that showed me crypto, is I met the person online, right? When you connect yourself with people, right, you begin to grow. So you want to intentionally know the people you keep around, your cycle. You want to connect with high-value individuals. So start making friends with people that are making between 1 million to 5 million every month. When you start making friends with those kind of people, the conversation you'll be having with them will change. You'll see that you now start thinking differently from the average human being. Then finally, if you have some money, let's say you are liquid, you are making like 200k, you are making like 300k, you are making like 400k, 500k, even 700k, and you want to scale. One way to do it is to consider trading, right? That is if you already have a source of income. Some of us are already making money, 300k, 200k, 500k, but we want to start making up to 5 million, 2 million, 3 million. Then you want to also consider trading, because one good thing about trading is that when you start trading, you begin to earn in dollars, which will give you an edge in Nigeria, right? So what you want to do, you want to consider learning how to trade. Maybe you can pay somebody to teach you crypto trading or forex trading, or join a very good signal group and use their signals to trade. So that way you take some part of your income, then trade with it every month. You now start making extra money along with the one you're already making, and you see that you begin to make between 1 million to 5 million naira every single month. Making 1 million to 5 million every month is not really difficult. It's easy and it's something you can do. I believe you can do it. All you need to do is to put in the work and do it consistently, and with time you will get there.